Hello everybody, this is Rachel from Rachel Bennett School of Bellydance, Fitness, Fun and Fabulousness in Windsor and Maidenhead, Woking and Berkshire, UK. And today we are going on to part 2 of my hip drop section. And I've been looking at hip drops with you to help you become more creative, to help get over your writer's block when you're writing choreography, and to help you improvise, because the more knowledge of dance moves that you've got, the more variations you have, the more creative you can be. And that's very important, and I really love helping my students with this. So, as many of you know, I'm a big fan of Tahir Karaoke. I really love her dance style, and there's a video that or a movie clip that I've watched of her dancing, and it's quite a close up on her hips, but it looks like she is displacing her hip drop forwards and back, just like this. Now, I've deduced that from where her hips were working in the clip, and I just think this is so much fun. It's a very pretty, very attractive, snappy little move, and I love it. You can make it really bouncy and add a little bit of a funky groove to it, or you can make it very, very delicate and classical as you need to. And the speed at which you go is entirely up to you and entirely what the music is asking for. So we've got a lovely little forward and back idea here. So let's just work it on the other side. We're going to take it and assume a position of our choice. And we're going to drop and flick, take it back and flick, drop and flick, back and flick, drop and flick, back and flick. And the particular video clip I watched was front on to Tahir Karaoke, but this would look just as much fun from the side. So again, it's a nice way of presenting yourself. You've demonstrated your hip drop forwards onto your audience, forwards on, and now you're looking to do a lovely side view. So you can do the same move, but repeat it again on both sides of your body. And again, you're filling up choreography time that you're needing to write. And you can present to the audience, with a lovely new arm frame. Work with the same move, but give them a different angle, give them a slightly new variation in the picture. And it helps you fill in those choreography gaps. So you've done maybe 4 moves on this leg, 4 on that leg, you've done it to this side, and then you turn, you transition, and you can assume a new pose, and you can make the hand complement the foot, or you can have the hand displacing with the foot, as you wish. These are just more ideas to give you. So there we go, taking the hip drop forward and back on both sides, and 1 step forwards and 1 step back. And it's a great way to elaborate on your belly dancing, and the most important thing is just to have lots and lots of fun. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I do hope you have very much enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you would like more, then just hop on over to rachelbellydancer.com and you can sign up to our newsletter where I share these wonderful, exciting little tutorials that I make just for you. And at the same time, you will get a gift from me, a belly dance workout, just to say thank you for coming on board and being part of our belly dance school fun. Have a look at our workshops and classes while you're there, and we look forward to meeting you at rachelbellydancer.com. Take care now, bye bye.